What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you here. Today we're going to be looking at another amazing library called Force.js, and it's taking its inspiration from Star Trek, as you may have noticed. So definitely it's an amazing library, and we're going to be checking it out today. So it's another one of amazing JavaScript library, and you should definitely have it on your project. So what's this library and what does it do? Let's check it out. So the first jump is finally an easy way to animate elements and jump around your page. So if you want to be able to move around seamlessly and smoothly on your page, for example, if you have buttons on your page which kind of jump not to a new page but kind of to elements on the same page, you might want to animate them and make the jump smooth. You don't want the page just jumping randomly fast like this, but you want a smooth experience like this, and you want to have a control of that. So this is what this library is going to allow you to do. Have the easy way to scroll and animate your page. So we're going to check it out. So head on to force-js.com and install the library, or add the library onto your project, and then you're going to be able to see what it does. So here it's going to show us an example of how this works. So let's go ahead and see the animations. Keep in mind, like when you click elements on your page, they can have the same animation. So it has a couple of options we're going to check out today. If I click, for example, on this Death Star, you see how the animation works. It slowly slides in to the position where it's supposed to be. And so this is it, ease in quad. So if I change this option, I go in for maybe ease in cubic. Let's see how that works. It starts slow and then moves faster. That's ease in for you, and you can set the duration, add maybe CSS transitions to it. So it has this couple of options. Let's just check out a couple more. You see, that's how the animation can work if you go ahead and do that. So these are just kind of simple animations, like to just jump to specific places on your website or on a particular element. So I kind of like the animations, though they're kind of interesting, even though some are not really realistic and maybe confusing. So let's check out the ease in elastic. Wow, that's kind of aggressive. Yeah, but this kind of the animations you can have in here, like it just allows you to move a little faster or a little slower on your website. For example, if a person clicks like this, you can take him to the top of the page, and so on and so forth. They have implemented it as well on their website. If I click on these buttons, it shows me kind of the ease in motion, the move motion, and so on and so forth. Like, so that's it. So it's just kind of a small library. It doesn't really aim to do too much. It just gives you that cool kind of sleek animation on how to jump to different elements on your website. I like the way they went with the theme for Star Trek. It's kind of amazing too. So it's just like the force, like, you know, the force, you're able to control things, send them forward, backwards, constrict things, and so on. All the gimmicks of Star Treks. Yeah, so definitely check out this library, and if you're interested, you can make use of it. It's kind of easy to integrate, and it does offer a lot of features for you to jump around your page. So there isn't really much to this plugin. I don't know how I can sell it to you better than that, but definitely if you need this, check it out at force-js.com and integrate it into your project. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.